Good day to you. My name is Edwin Maisonet, and I work at McCleary Elementary School in Aurora, Illinois. I've been with the district for about 25 years, and I don't need to tell you, fellow educators, how quickly that time has flown. I recently had the opportunity to partner with the Van Andel Institute on a fourth grade lesson titled Food for Thought. My students found the lessons to be engaging, fun, and quite frankly, tasty. We learned how to weigh foods, calculate caloric intake, and read and understand food labels. We also learned how to spot the hidden sodium and sugars in many products. We examined food groups and created healthier versions of popular food options. As the leader, I felt it necessary to taste all the creations just to make sure that they met with our rigorous quality standards. Oh, the things I do for my job. I hope that you consider trying food for thought with your students and that you get as much learning and enjoyment as we did here at McCleary School. Have a great day.